Welcome to India, Omar. Mumbai is hectic. There's always something going on. As soon as I left the airport, it was just bam, there were so many things going on. I was just overwhelmed. I was so glad I decided to take an Uber. Right now I'm unpacking, kind of. I'm gonna be here for 3 days. There's a lot of things that I have to unpack. Right here, a little mirror right there. And this seems to be more like a dormitory for it's like college-aged men. But like it's also kind of mixed in with like tourists as well. I have no idea what I'm gonna do the rest of the day. I might meet a friend. He said he's coming at 2:30. We'll see what's up. Alright guys, first night in Mumbai done. Yesterday, just resting. Now I'm gonna take you guys with me, so come along. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Have a good one. I really appreciate it. See ya.
Watch your head.
Oh yeah, my bad. I'm here with some Mumbai friends right now. Hello. We're gonna go see what's out there. Are we gonna try the motorcycle or?
Yes.
Okay.
You can just sit and try. It's comfortable.
Okay. What do I grab? To the side?
Over this, yeah. You grab the side and put your roll.
Hold on. Don't start. I'm gonna turn off my GoPro. Welcome to India, Omar.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go, bro. Ah.
It's very good in the morning, but it's pretty haunted in the night.
Haunted?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys think there's like ghosts in there?
Yeah. People say there are ghosts.
Oh shit.
Scooby-Doo shit.
Scooby. You guys watch Scooby-Doo?
Yeah, we used
Ah,
to.
dude. Are they playing cricket or not?
Yeah.
Oh, they're playing cricket. Okay.
If you come in morning, you will find it full.
The ground is empty because of the sunlight.
Everyone playing cricket, football, and
The
multiple
whole
sports.
ground is packed by
Mostly cricket.
Oh, okay.
Mostly cricket.
Mostly
Yes.
cricket.
Routine what happened.
It's like a nice green space in the middle of the city.
So people made their houses nearby and started staying here. Who actually could not afford a house here. They used to work for very.
These houses right here.
Yeah, these were actually before a tent. Now they have made a good houses.
Oh, okay. They remade
Actually,
the houses.
the food you saw outside,
Yeah.
the
Yeah?
people who are making food, they live over here.
They live in the same area.
They over here.
Is that cauliflower? Pakora?
No, pakoda means it's a Chinese dish.
It's a Chinese dish.
Yeah, made in India. Manchurian.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's very tasty, but I don't think so it's good for you as it's street food, right?
It's oily, right?
It's oily, so if you eat, your stomach can go bad.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. So,
Is that what Gobi Manchurian?
Yeah, Gobi Manchurian.
Gobi Manchurian.
Exactly.
I've heard of that before.
Oh, Chinese pakoda. Yeah.
Chinese
Gobi
pakora.
Manchurian, yes. We don't want to ruin your vacation.
I haven't had food poisoning because I haven't eaten street food.
Yeah.
But like, I want to try street food. But
Yeah.
what would
Take
you
you to the street where you can have one of the best street food.
Okay,
It's
okay.
healthy,
Yeah.
so you'll not get
hygienic,
food poisoning. It's hygienic.
The best street food, I
Yeah,
guess.
street food, yes.
Okay. And
This is a sport called kabaddi.
It's an Indian, yeah,
It's an Indian sport. Yeah.
Oh.
Wait. That's Kho-Kho. This is Kho-Kho. This is Kabaddi.
Is it like capture the flag? Or no? am I tripping?
No.
It's
No?
something different.
Yeah.
Something different.
So you see over here, there are two teams. One team sits over here, and the other team sends 3 or 1 player from their team. They have to play tag, but in a circle.
Yeah.
In a circle. Okay.
Yeah. They have to play tag, but in a circle. So see, this guy's running, and this guy stood up. That means he's gonna catch him.
He has to catch him.
Yeah, and they can roam from here to here, but they have to go in a straight line.
Okay.
Yeah, so they can.
It's pretty complicated and very stupid game.
Okay. Well, I mean that's cool. It's called Coco.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called Kho-Kho.
Coco. Coco. It's abandoned. Or no?
Yeah, it's kind of abandoned.
Okay. Oh, look at that butterfly.
This is basketball.
Court.
Okay, you guys play basketball
We can
too?
go over there if you want.
Yeah.
But people don't play basketball.
Yeah,
People
football.
play football or cricket.
Yeah.
Football for you is
yoga.
soccer.
Yeah.
Soccer.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Football is soccer.
Okay.
Aadhaar card center.
Pigeon. Car center.
Yeah, Aadhaar card center. Mainly the people, we have a specific identification card. We have to get anything updated or change in that card. We have to come here and apply for that application.
Okay, you do that here. A lot of government offices here.
Yeah, very
It's owned by the
It's
government.
owned by the government. It's a government.
So you wanna go to the
There's
basketball
an-
court?
Do you know what NCC means?
NC?
See, it's in
National
no.
National Culprit Center.
He's kidding.
Yeah, bruh, okay.
It's not something like that. It's for the students who are applying to military.
Military school. Okay.
Yeah, it's for them. It's a kind of training base.
देखो नहीं मालूम ये मेरे को भी नहीं मालूम ये
There we can people apply for it and get trained.
Get trained. Okay.
Yeah, the NCC tries to train the students very much that they can apply for military in India. Army.
Okay.
Indian Army.
Does it pay well?
No.
It doesn't pay well. Oh wow.
It
I'm
doesn't
surprised.
pay well. There is a thing that in India, very much, I can say, people love to, give very much.
They're very
to country.
generous.
Yeah, they are very generous.
National
They
pride.
like to
Yeah.
go to the military because they like their country.
That makes sense. Yeah.
They can die for their country.
Okay.
Training ground.
Training ground.
Wait for the military?
Yeah,
Right here.
Not for military.
Not for the
For
military.
the training of the students
Like
who are applying for the military.
Yeah, who are
Okay,
applying. They
the
get
ones
fit
that-
over here and then go for the applying of
Yeah,
military.
local kids like them, they are trying to
अरे अगर रास्ते में मारा मारी झुकी ना है नसीब
you will find many fights happening in
खड़े
streets.
रह के सब देखेंगे।
Really?
अरे भाई,
Yeah,
अरे भाई,
and-
क्या हो रहा है?
During the fight, everyone will be gathering around them and seeing them and enjoy. No one will stop them.
Everyone enjoy.
Yeah, everyone will
Bro.
enjoy.
If it's someone friends, the friend group will stop them. But if they are strangers, everyone will look and record.
Yeah.
No, bro. Save in the U.S. We'll just pull up our phones and just like
Exactly.
start live streaming.
There are some good people who try to stop
Yeah.
the fight. Most of the people don't go because they are scared that they'll also get hit.
Look at these buildings, dude. They're so nice. You won't find this at home.
नहीं ये कॉलेज
Most buildings over here are made of bricks and cement. In America, they are of plasters and wood, right?
Yeah, American architecture is boring.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, the best architecture is Spanish colonial.
Because in India, termite attacks are pretty common. So we have to make our houses out of cement and bricks. In
Oh,
America, are not that. So you can make our houses out of plaster and wood. 1994. 100 years. This
100
year
year
is the
building.
100th year. It's May.
College.
It's not Andheri, it's Jogeshwari. It's a printing mistake.
No way.
It is.
Wait,
It is.
nah.
It's not a printing. What? Jogeshwari is a part of Andheri.
Yeah, actually Jogeshwari was made after this college was made. So
Okay,
it's
so-
written Andheri. Yeah.
Look at this building. It's 100 years old. It's pre-partition.
This is the main campus.
Yeah. Holy.
There are rumors over here that the principal's office is haunted. So the principal never visits his room.
I can't record.
Yeah. Our college.
I wanted to record the building, but government buildings, you gotta be careful. You don't want to record people. Yeah, so
You can record it now.
Yeah.
I could record now because Phil's not looking.
क्या time हो रहा है उज्जवल?
Don't worry.
What's the name of the temple?
ISKCON और Hare Rama Hare Krishna मंदिर.
You're not allowed to record inside. It looks amazing though. What do the flags symbolize?
That's a Bhagwa.
Bhargoa.
Yeah. It's like a flag for Hinduism. The kesari color. It indicates Hinduism.
It indicates the religion.
Yeah.
It's super windy. We're on our way to Juhu Beach. Very windy. Weather's amazing. My hair's out of control. Bustling like always. We're gonna cross the road. Oh my god, bro, that should give me a heart attack. Ah, okay. Bro, I swear to god, I can't cross the road. Oh my god. Fuck. Oh, you guys help me.
Don't worry. Come with us.
Oh.
You must keep always the upper hand over the people who are crossing the road.
Dude, that was terrifying. Oh my, I wasn't.
There's a saying, India is not for beginners, and it's true. Yes.
Bro, I've been to 9 countries and I still.
People from Texas can find India a little bit good.
Good? Oh god.
Texas and Florida.
You guys know about the Florida memes?
Yes, the meme. In India, we have Bihar.
Oh, dude. Yes. Alright, guys. We're here at Juhu Beach. As you can see, it's hella packed. Bro, look at all those people. Yeah. When I went to bandstand, you couldn't, it was just rocks on the floor. And right here there's sand, so that's nice. Bandra, oh shit. It was rocky over there when I went, but it was still really breezy.
There are many stores
Down there in that direction.
We'll watch the sunset.
Guys, I'm at the Santa Monica of Mumbai. Oh, what's up? There's some planes right there in the distance.
You will see plane every 2 minutes.
Are we close to the airport?
Yeah. And Mumbai is the busiest airport, right? So you will see an airplane every 2 minutes.
Notice the diversity of people here, all different walks of life. There's people on top of the roof. Where am I gonna find another Latino here? These guys are also protecting me from like people offering jet skis, because you know I don't know the rates. We got some chai right here. Hello. Yeah, say hi to the vlog.
I told you, right?
Yeah.
Many Indians know basic English to talk.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Good chai.
तो आधा कप भर के क्यों?
1 मिनट, ये 20 का है ना?
ये 20 का और एक 20 का ही कप है।
How are you? Land it.
Alright guys, some authentic chai, none of that chai tea latte in the US. We got real stuff here.
Authentic
So
amazing. I'm gonna be drinking this every day because like it's so good.
It's so good, right?
It's just a mixture of like cinnamon and
chai ka packet muska free. You find chai better than India anywhere else from except Turkey. The best chai in India in South.
If you want the best authentic chai, you have to come in Indian household.
We're inside the market right now.
हम लोग को नहीं, ये अमेरिका से आया ना, इसको खिलाना है।
Pani puri sold here.
Yeah, पानी पूरी। कौन में भी उतना ही था। I'll record it.
Oh wow.
This is medium spice.
Medium spice.
Yeah.
Bro, we're Mexicans. We spicy.
Yeah.
You want spicy?
Oh shit.
क्या बनाना है इसके बाद?
इसके बाद एकदम तीखा वाला बनाना।
Oh wow.
Eat it.
Do I eat it all in one go?
Yeah, one go.
One go.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Oh wow.
Open your
I'm scared.
mouth wide.
Let's try it. Let's try this night.
How's
Do you
it?
have it?
No, it's veg.
It's veg.
It's totally veg.
Take that.
ठीक है. It's
This is spicy है ना?
Spicy. There's different types then.
Yeah, 3 types. This is sweet or medium spice?
This one's sweet.
Yeah, right. This one is spicy. अभी medium वाला बनाना.
Do you want spicy or medium?
This is spicy, right?
Yeah. Taste this. रुक जाओ.
Damn, dude, they all have different flavors. That's
नहीं उसको खिलाना है.
very spicy one right here.
Spicy enough?
Yeah, I thought it'd be more spicy.
You want more spicy?
Yeah, bro.
और तीखा बनाओ. क्या खाते हैं?
हाँ, मेक्सिको में भी spicy खाते हैं. ये वाला एकदम तीखा है ना?
This is more spicy.
For foreigners, I think.
Spicy. Here we go.
Drink spicy.
Yeah, he's sweating, bro.
Bro, that's good.
Have this.
The last one.
Dude, damn, this is really good.
Exactly. सूखा पूरी बना दो.
We just had pav bhaji earlier. Really good food. They used cilantro, onions, limes.
Yeah, right here.
It's really good. What is it called again? What is
Gola.
Gola, very similar to Raspados back in Southwest.
Butterscotch.
Yeah, and it's blue. This one's the best.
This is Kala Khatta.
Dude, Mumbai, been amazing. Best city.
How
in
was the
India.
pav bhaji?
Bro, that was amazing. It reminded me of home. Really good. I'd recommend it. There's so much to do, so many foods to try. This is just the beginning too.
Yes, exactly.
Wait a minute, the way you move that body, you don't